Alright, so all we have left to do for this application is write the method for button pressed, and then add our images and run it to check to see if it works. So we're going to do that now. Right now I'm writing the beginning of our button pressed method, and we're going to do this. We're going to call it button. Okay, now let's make brackets for the body and add an if statement. And we're going to say button is equal to flashlight button. There it is. Okay, we're going to add another statement here, and it's going to be if again, another if statement. This if statement is going to say flashlight on is equal to no. I forgot a T. There's a T. Flashlight on is equal to no, and then statement. Flashlight on is yes. Flashlight button set background image. We're going to call this background image torch off. This isn't. Oh, they're supposed to give me the automatic thing. It's not doing that. Alright, well, let's do it manually anyway. UI image named, and the NS string. There we go. At torch off.png. Okay, and then we go for state UI control state normal. I'm going to close that, end it with a semicolon. Okay, now we need to add an else. The else here. Else, and then let's add a body for that. There we go. Else flashlight on is no, and flashlight button set background image UI image there it is, image named at torch on.png. Okay, let's wrap that up. Why is there a thing there? There we go. Okay, and then for state UI control state normal. I spelled normal wrong. Normal. Alright, end it with a semicolon. Drop down here. Let's add self toggle flashlight. There it is, right there. Oh, didn't do that correctly. Didn't do that correctly at all. Toggle flashlight. Alright, let's add this here. And that should be it for the coding. I'm going to build it to make sure that there are no errors. Let's clean first. Okay, and then build. And make sure there are no errors. Okay, no issues. That's the way I like to see it. So now we just need to import our torchon.png and torchoff.png. Keep in mind that they need to be torchoff and torchon.png the same exact way you typed it in the code, or else this won't work. Okay? Or you could change the name in the code, but I mean the code has to match the name of the file, or else it won't call the right file. Alright, so let's build it to make sure it runs with the file in there, because occasionally the files give you issues. Alright, so I'm going to run it on my actual phone, my actual iPhone. Keep in mind that the simulator, if you were to try and run it, won't work properly because the simulator does not have a light. There's no external light in the simulator, it's just the computer. So, I'm going to run it and tell you if it runs properly or not. It succeeded. Okay, it's coming up on my phone. And the image is not appearing, so I did something incorrectly. Let me stop this, and I will make another video telling you what went wrong.